Wow. Okay. Wow, guys. Breaking news right now. A federal judge in Seattle has now put a temporary halt on Trump's immigration travel ban that he had set forth, signed the order for it earlier this week. A federal judge has put, again, breaking news, a temporary halt on that executive order. This is going to open up travel once again to all those countries, especially the 7 that Trump put on that list that he said he was suspending travel for 120 days, going to review everything, going to try to come up with a proper way to vet these people coming into our country. And a Seattle federal judge has now pulled the plug on that. Oh, wow, guys, this is going to cause some friction now with Trump. If you can just imagine what this is going to cause. Wow. Okay, guys, let me get you the full report here, okay? But the Seattle judge has brought Trump's administration's executive order on immigration to a halt nationwide, just taking place not too long ago, okay, guys? Temporary restraining order is put in the U.S. District Court until further hearings can be held. He says, quote, "The Constitution prevailed today," Washington Attorney General Bob Ferguson said after the ruling. "No one is above the law, not even the president." This ruling shuts down the president's executive order immediately, shuts it down so people can travel like they did before, Ferguson said. The hearing came about after the attorney generals of Washington and Minnesota filed a lawsuit seeking to halt President Donald Trump's January 27th executive order restricting immigration to the United States from 7 Muslim-majority countries where obviously they had a huge problem with terrorism. It also placed restrictions on refugees entering into the country. A reporter asked Ferguson if the ruling coming down on Friday afternoon could cause any confusion. He responded, quote, "I'll tell you where there's been confusion. The president's executive order," Ferguson said. "That's what's caused confusion. I'm sorry, but there's no other way to put it. It's been Keystone Cops. It really is. That's not just me speaking. That's Republican members of Congress as well." Now, U.S. District Court Judge James L. Robart, a Seattle native, who is an appointee of President George W. Bush, said that the state of Washington proved that local economy and citizens have suffered irreparable harm and an injunction should be applied. Wow. I mean, God, you got to be kidding me. He goes on, what the judge ruled today is that the president's executive order does not apply. Does not apply, Ferguson said after the hearing. "I'm sure that the president won't like this decision, but it's his obligation to honor the law, and I'll make sure he does," Ferguson told the reporters. Robart is no stranger to high-profile cases. He is also the federal judge in charge of overseeing the reform of the Seattle Police Department. So, wow, guys, a lot to digest there. Again, breaking news, the travel ban, immigration ban on the 7 Muslim countries, predominantly Muslim countries, has been halted by a federal judge in Seattle. Wow, where do we go from here, guys? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see what President Trump's response is to this. I'll make sure I come back and report to you on that as soon as he releases a statement. He could be prepping one now as we speak. But wow, guys, anyway, I'll keep you informed. We are living in some crazy times, that is for sure, guys. This is my channel, CardsFan480. I'm here on both YouTube and also on Periscope. So please feel free to subscribe if you guys like what you see. I'll keep bringing you all the latest breaking news, current world events, and Bible prophecy updates. Things are happening fast at an alarming rate. Things are speeding up now all over the world now, guys, all right? Most importantly, though, if you've never given your life to Jesus Christ, why don't you do that right now? Make the decision. Let me know. Drop me a comment below. Let me know you would like to receive Christ as your Lord and Savior. Look, He's the only one that can fix the mess the world is in right now. He really is the only one that can bring peace. He is the Prince of Peace. He is the Messiah, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. So let me know if you would like to do that today. I would love to pray with you. I would love to lead you to Christ today. Guys, to the new subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining up with this channel. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys don't mind as well, share these videos out there with your friends and family on social media. Help spread the word about what it is that I'm trying to do here. Bring you guys the news and the current world events from a Christian conservative perspective, tying in the biblical prophecies surrounding these events that we're seeing take place, but really trying to bring the love of Christ out to people in general. And wow, again, What can I say, guys? We got two sides happening in America right now. One that wants to protect the country, one that wants to endanger the country. It's a fight. It's gonna be a tug of war being played here. That's for sure. I'll be back with more, guys. I'll keep you updated on the situation. Take care. Be safe out there, please. God bless. I'll talk to you guys soon.